an easy hack. Like it's really easy. It took me maybe a minute, if that, to clean this. So it didn't really take that long. Hi, I'm Yvonne. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm saying welcome back and thank you for coming back because I'm just putting it out there. Even if you're new, I'm hoping you'll come back. So I'm just putting it out there. I'm naming it and claiming it. So welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a beauty hack. It's not a life hack. You know, it's a beauty hack that I saw on YouTube. I'll insert the person's name. I can't remember her name, but I'll insert her name here. But I saw her do this and I was like, what? One of my least favorite things to do is clean my beauty blender because it's annoying. It's disgusting. It always looks nasty, I feel like, and you can use it one time. It looks like you've used it 100 times. So I'm excited to try this beauty hack. It worked in her video, and I think I've seen it somewhere else. I'm not really sure, but I'm excited to try this because, you know, I'm excited to try it. So we'll see if this limits the time that it takes to wash the beauty blender, because I like to wash mine every time, like after every use, because I have this like fear that it's like, I don't know, some bacteria are like growing in there when I don't wash it each time. So I like to wash it after each wash. Yep, that made sense. I like to wash it after each wash. So hopefully this will like drastically decrease my time and how long it takes me to wash these beauty blenders, because it does take a while. So we'll see. And before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed and thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe and thumbs up. I would really appreciate your support. And again, it's free, like absolutely, actually costs you nothing, like absolutely free. So go ahead and subscribe and thumbs up and just make my day, make my whole week, which just is a nice thing to do, you know? So go ahead and subscribe and thumbs up to my video. And now I'm gonna move on to the video. Okay, so I'm actually staying in an Airbnb right now, and it doesn't have like regular plates, like plastic ones or ceramic plates. So I'm just gonna go with this plastic plate or bowl. This is a bowl. I'm gonna take this bowl, put the beauty blender in here, put some water, and put it in the microwave, and we'll see how this turns out. You know, we'll see. We'll see how this turns out. So join me, follow me. All right, so I have a bowl here and a sponge, and I'm gonna put some water in there first, so you can get, you know, water it because you need water. And then I'm gonna add some soap. I'm just adding some soft soap. This is like hand soap. So, you know, this is the only thing that the Airbnb had. So, I mean, they had other hand soap, but. All right, I just put a few pumps in there. And my beauty blender. And I'm gonna get it, the water. I think the beauty blender should be submerged in the water, you know? But, duh, it's gonna float. Yeah, so it's gonna float. It's gonna float, and I should know this. So yeah, it's in there, and it's looking all extra showy. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave. It's in there, and one minute. So it's already looking like, ooh. It looks like, ooh, go ahead. Warm water and soap? What? Ooh, this water is hot, by the way. Obviously, because it's in the microwave, so it's clearly hot, but can you guys see that it's cleaning up? But that was fairly like quick. It's pretty decent. You know, it's actually really decent. Well, as long as it usually takes me to wash a beauty blender, this looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's a pretty nice hack. Like, that didn't take me that long to clean. Let me just wipe it out let me rinse it with like regular, not soapy water, and I'll be back. So this is what it looks like, which I think looks pretty clean. There's some like stains that I'm just gonna go ahead and assume they won't come out, but overall that didn't even take me that long. Like, look how clean it looks. Like, I will say this is a nice hack. It didn't take me long. I wonder if this works with brushes. Okay, so this is what the final Beauty Blender looks like. It's super clean, I think, and this is such an easy hack. Like, it's really easy. It took me maybe a minute, if that, to clean this. So it didn't really take that long. Ooh, what is that? But anyways, it didn't really take that long. I think I got some in my hair. It didn't take that long, so I would say try this out. It doesn't hurt. I mean, it's quick. And just be careful you don't burn your hands. Like, I don't think you can burn them. Just be careful because the water is really, really hot. So try this out. Let me know what you think. Or if you have other suggestions for other beauty hacks, other beauty blender hacks. How do you wash your beauty blender? Do you use soap? I know there's a beauty blender cleaner, I think. Yes, there is. Do you use a beauty blender cleaner? How do you clean your beauty blender if you use one? So thank you for joining me. I'm Yvonne. I'm still polishing this gold and hope you continue to do so too. Also, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll really, really appreciate that, and see you next time.